mass percent. This is another way of expressing the amount of the solute in the solution. It is the most common way of expressing the concentrations of the solutions or the amount of the solute in any solution. It's called layman's language because anybody can understand out of 100 how much is your solute or how much is the compound. Mass percentage. We express the solute and the solution both in terms of mass, and it is usually written as W by W or mass by mass. The first W is about the mass of the solute, the second W is mass of the solution, and we describe it as amount of the solute in grams per 100 grams of solution, and that's why it's called W by W. So, mass percent of solute will be mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. This will be the formula of finding out the mass percentage. Like, let me explain this with an example. A solution of urea has 10 grams of it in 100 grams of solution. Express its concentration in mass percentage. So, in terms of mass percentage, we know the mass percentage of urea will be mass of urea upon mass of solution into 100. Mass of urea is 10 grams, mass of solution is 100, multiplied by 100 makes it 10% W by W, which will be read out as 10 grams of the urea is there in 100 grams of solution.